Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the contraceptives and their failure rate. So to begin with the lactation. So lactation for the 6 months. So here the failure rate is going to be 0.5 to 1.5. Next is the coitus interruptus, and this will be about 25%. This is about the failure rate. Next is the diaphragm. The diaphragm is about 4 to 6%. Then the IUDs, that is the intrauterine devices, will be 0 to 3%. Then we are looking at the progesterone only mini pill. So progesterone only mini pill. So this is going to be 2 to 3%. Then comes the use of the condom. This is about 10 to 14%. And the combined pill, this is about 0.1%. Then there is vasectomy. Vasectomy failure rate is about 0.15%. And looking at tubal ligation, it is about 0.4%.